Apple recently hosted its big WWDC event to unveil iOS 27, and it felt like a massive blast from the past. Fans watched 2 whole hours of Apple boasting about revolutionary features that Android users have literally been using for years. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. Let's start with the looks. Apple's finally giving iPhone users a transparency slider to tweak their screen's aesthetic. Groundbreaking, right? Android brands like Honor already did that ages ago. Apple also bragged about smoother internet handoffs between Wi-Fi and data and a still sending text indicator. It's something that feels like Android users always had. Even the fancy new AirPods updates like custom sound equalizers are old news. Motorola Razr Fold phone already blows that out of the water with built-in Dolby Atmos. Oh, and Apple's upgraded password manager that catches hacked passwords. Google's been quietly doing that for over 5 years. But the real comedy came during the 40-minute AI segment. Apple announced an upgraded Siri, but Google Gemini is actually the brains behind it. While the new Siri only speaks English, Gemini already speaks 70 languages. Plus, Apple's new Siri camera mode is an exact clone of Google Lens from 2017. And then there's Apple Intelligence. It can now read your screen to help you book flights or edit photos. Sounds amazing, except Google's Pixel and Samsung's Galaxy lines already do this exact trick. Apple even fixed its terrible keyboard dictation using tech that Google perfected back in 2020. So if you want the actual cutting edge, it's better to stick with Android. Apple users will have to wait months just to get these recycle features, and even then they'll probably claim they invented them. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.